little drops of water make a mighty ocean. A single drop looks weak, but over time, it becomes a force powerful enough to shape continents. Money works the same way. Most people think financial freedom comes from one big breakthrough, one viral video, one lucky investment, one business that explodes overnight. But that's not how wealth is built. Wealth is built through habits. Let me tell you a story. Most people think the richest man in history was Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk. Wrong. The richest man in recorded history was Mansa Musa, the emperor of Mali in the 14th century. He ruled an empire so wealthy that historians say it's impossible to measure in today's dollars. When he traveled to Mecca, he gave away so much gold in Egypt that he caused inflation for years. Imagine being so wealthy that your generosity shakes an entire economy. But here's what people miss. Mansa Musa didn't wake up rich. His empire controlled trade routes, salt, gold, and other resources. His wealth wasn't random, it was structured. And that's the key. Financial freedom is not about luck, it's about structure and habits. The first habit is pay yourself first. Most people pay bills, rent, subscriptions, friends, lifestyle, and then save what's left, which is usually nothing. The wealthy reverse it. They pay themselves first. Before spending, before flexing, before upgrading. Even if it's just 10%, you build the habit of ownership. This is the foundation of capital accumulation. No capital, no freedom. Money that isn't invested is money that dies. Ask yourself, if your income stopped today, how long would you survive? Financial freedom begins the day your money starts working harder than you do. The second habit is live below your means, even when you can afford more. Lifestyle inflation destroys futures. The moment income increases, spending increases. New phone, new clothes, new apartment, new pressure. But wealthy people delay visible success. They prioritize assets over applause. They don't need to look rich, they focus on becoming rich. The goal isn't to impress people who don't care about you. The goal is ownership, freedom, and options. And options come from discipline. The third habit is invest consistently, not emotionally. Most people invest based on hype. News, fear, trends. Wealthy people invest based on systems. Consistency beats intensity. Monthly investing, long-term thinking, compounding patience. The power of compounding is boring until it becomes life-changing. The difference between the poor and the wealthy isn't intelligence, it's time horizon. Short-term thinking creates survival. Long-term thinking creates freedom. The fourth habit is build income that doesn't depend on you. If you stop working, does your income stop? If yes, you have a job. Financial freedom requires leverage, digital products, equity, investments, businesses, systems. Even Mansa Musa didn't mine gold himself. He controlled the system. The rich don't trade time. They own engines. If you want freedom, build something that pays you while you sleep. The fifth habit is think in decades, not days. This one separates everyone. Most people think, how can I make money this month? The wealthy think, how can I position myself for the next 10 years? Time rewards patience. Time punishes emotional decisions. If you commit to disciplined investing, skill building, ownership, and consistency for 10 years, your life will not look the same. Most people quit at year 2. That's why they never see year 10. Remember the ocean, drop by drop. Mansa Musa didn't create wealth overnight. He inherited structure and expanded it. You may not inherit an empire, but you can build one. Through habits. Pay yourself first. Live below your means. Invest consistently. Build leverage. Think in decades. Financial freedom is not a miracle. It's math. It's psychology. It's discipline. And the beautiful part? It's available to anyone who commits long enough. The question is not, can you become financially free? The question is, can you stay disciplined long enough to deserve it? If this message changed your perspective, rewatch it and give it a thumbs up. Apply one habit today and start building your empire, drop by drop.